Hello guys, back again with our backtesting strategy on GPU, and clearly you can see external structure is moving up, is bullish. So we have our last swing low, and we have our breakout structure to the upside. Then we go 15 minutes for our internal structure. And we have our demand zone just below here. Then you go through 30 minutes for our entry confirmation. Then you get that entry confirmation. Our entry just on this body candle, the 15 minutes body candle. Then we target our next swing high, stop loss below our swing low. You get a clean tag. Then we just wait and we hit our take profit. So we go to 30 minutes for our external structure again. But this time around, it's just a breakout structure, internal structure, not external. Then you can delete this. Then this is our new swing low. And this is our demand zone. Then our plan is very easy. We just have to wait for the price to come back here, tap into our demand zone, then continuation to the upside after getting confirmation, right? And we just have to be patient. There's no need to rush. There's no need to complicate, trying to get into the market, just trying to feel like the price is going without us. No, it's just patience, because you already have your setup in place. So you just have to wait and to see what the market is trying to offer. You see it's creating more liquidity to the downside here. And just a waiting game. As long as the price don't break this swing high just here. With this protected low, then you get our clean tap in. You can see it. A tap and a confirmation to the upside. A tap and a continuation to the upside. This is our swing low down here. Then you got 15 minutes for our entry. Then we target the next swing high. You can clearly see we get a clean tap, and then the market moves to our direction. Then we move our stop loss from here to break even. Just protect our capital and to be comfortable holding this trade up to take profit. But the moment the price goes up to here, then it's just a waiting game, right? We just wait for the price to come here, then we take like 50% profits. We took 50% profit from here, the remaining 50% profits, and our 50% profit is just here below this. and we hit our break even. So we go to 13 again, we get our break of structure, change of character to the downside. Go to 15 minutes for our external structure. And our supply zone just here. You can take all this and we see what really happens. The last buy to sell. Here, we get a clean on, but it's already late. Now we got our entry here. This was our entry, clean one. Stop loss just here. Then we move our stop loss to break even. Protect our capital. Then we take out 50% partial. Then we leave the rest to run up to our take profit. And 4. It's already getting late. Now we need to focus on the next day. Then we need to clear our chart. We have a break of structure to the downside. External structure. Then you have our change of character to the downside. So it's just now a waiting game. Got that tap and the break. That means this become this is now a demand zone. This is our change of character to the upside, external structure. You get that tap. and we get that continuation to the upside. For 15 minutes, we can clearly see have our demand zone just here. Our 30 minutes candle close and our entry. The last sale to buy that led to this 15-minute entries here. One to two. Let's see how it works. Yeah, we got tagged in. With that entry at what time? That's still then we took our stop loss. So we should have another break our demand zone just here, another demand zone. And another demand zone just below. I think this one is more aggressive, or we can call it the extreme demand zone. Then we got our entry, it was just there. Let's see our 15 minutes. Yeah, it's here. What time is it here? You can scale in up to 5 minutes for a sniper entry. It was already late, but let's see how it happened. If you take a trade, no. Need to wait for London open. Yeah. To extreme zone and a good discount zone. Then let's just try to get our confirmation and see. It was disrespected. Yes, no. Yeah. No entry. No entry. And he had news. Inflation rates. Then we had our continuation to the downside. And our supply zone just here. Then hit our continuation. So point of interest, internal structure, had to wait for London open, and then you got that London open. It was clean confirmation from here. Then you got this entry just here, and our stop loss just here. We target the next swing low. Then hit our full TP. Then we had another continuation to the downside. And our supply zone just from here. Those last candles. We didn't have a pullback from here. We didn't have a pullback from here. 3 candle rule. We got the tap in here, but it was more of, what time is this? It's late already. We need to wait for London to open. That's our confirmation. Then we got 50 minutes. The last one, this one was respected. Then you have to get on this. With this liquidity just up, we can enter from here. Stop loss here. Full TP from to here. 1 to 7. Let's see how it happens. Tag in. Then it goes down. Then when you take out 1 to 5, it's better. 1 to 4, it's really better, because already even London already closed. Now you have to wait for New York, which is super okay. external structure to the upside. Liquidity sweep, change of character to the upside. Down to this fair value gap. $30 confirmation. Not yet. Clean confirmation from there. We target this. Liquidity up here, you can clearly see it. Stop loss it. Internal supply zone, right? We got our entry, our confirmation from here after tapping it back, then our entry here. Because now this is now a breaker block, right? You can clearly see it. It's now a breaker block. 30 minutes confirmation from here. Entry just from here from the 50 minutes. Stop loss just above the breaker block. Then let's try to target this 1 to 2. You can put it up to here. I want 1 to 5. And what time is it? Just early in the morning. Let's see how really it works. Boom. Stopped out. And the price goes up and down, up and down. This was a clear demand. Let's on 30 minutes. Yeah, it was a bit on from here. This was a tap and a confirmation. That means we have to get our entry. And our entry from here. Our stop loss just below here. We got that tag, that clean tag just from this 15 minutes order block. And then you had to move our stop loss to break even.